The low-fat lie that made diabetes worse. We've seen people follow low-fat advice perfectly and end up worse. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because the advice itself is flawed. This comes up all the time. People tell us they've switched to low-fat yogurts, chosen light versions of foods, and cut down on fats like butter or eggs. They feel like they're doing everything right, but their HbA1c isn't improving. Sometimes, it's actually getting worse. Here's what we often find. When fat is removed from food, something has to replace it. And most of the time, it's carbohydrates, often refined carbohydrates. So instead of a full-fat yogurt that keeps you full, you get a low-fat version with added sugars or starches. That leads to quicker digestion, bigger blood sugar spikes, and more insulin being released. Over time, that can drive more insulin resistance. And for some people, this is the exact point where their HbA1c starts creeping up again. So the issue isn't fat, it's what replaces it. We've seen people doing everything by the book, following standard advice, and feeling frustrated because nothing changes. And this is often one of the key reasons why. Fat isn't the enemy. In the right context, it can help slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you fuller for longer, which is exactly what many people with insulin resistance need. So instead of focusing on low fat, try this. Choose whole, unprocessed foods. Don't fear natural fats. Avoid ultra-processed diet products. And pay attention to how foods actually affect your energy and hunger. If you've been struggling with your blood sugar despite trying to do everything right, it might not be your effort. It might be the advice.